to give your customer a quote, bid, or proposal for work you plan to do. The estimate form looks very much like an invoice. However, its purpose is to help you begin negotiations with your customer. After you've done the work or performed the service and you're ready to bill your customer, you can add data from the estimate to an invoice, thus eliminating the need to re-enter the information. QuickBooks allows only one estimate per job. When you change an estimate, the revised estimate replaces the original. If you want to create another version of the estimate instead, you should duplicate the estimate and then make your changes. Let us now go to our QuickBooks file to record our first invoice. Before we start, make sure the Estimates feature is turned on. To turn on this feature, 1. Go to the Edit menu and click Preferences. 2. In the Preferences window, click Jobs and Estimates in the list on the left. 3. Click the Company Preferences tab and make sure Yes is selected on Do you create estimates frame. To record an estimate, on Customers menu click on Create Estimates. On the Customer Job pull-down, choose the customer. On this example let's use Alliant Limited. Under the Item pull-down, choose the preferred items. On this example, let's choose 2 items. The first item I choose keyboards. For quantity I can enter 3. Next item let me choose 15-inch monitor and enter the quantity as 3 also. Note that QuickBooks automatically recalculates total. Then save your changes. Let us create an invoice from an estimate. When a customer has accepted your estimate and has agreed to pay, you can turn the entire estimate into an invoice. Progress invoicing, also called progress billing or partial billing, is invoicing from an estimate in stages instead of for the full amount. In this example we will invoice for the full amount. To do this task, on Customers menu click on Create Estimates to open the estimate. Click Create Invoice at the top of the estimate form. When the invoice appears, edit the invoice as needed. Click Print to print the invoice now, or select the To Be Printed checkbox to print it with a batch of invoices later. Save the invoice. Here we have our invoice. Thanks everyone. Have a nice time.